I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This is a casting that I made for a sander faceplate. It's only a 9-inch sander, but that's the biggest that my lathe can turn. I'm going to set this out because that's a project that I want to do. Well, I'm standing up in the blacksmith shop. I have the table saw moved up where I can actually get to it. The forge is back in the back where it's supposed to go. I have the anvil where I can reach it. And the workbench, even though it's covered with crap, is back where it belongs. So that's a big step forward for this job. Now I just have to move the stuff off the sawhorses and get it tucked in and around where it goes. Some of it goes underneath the saw table, some of it goes underneath the forge, some of it goes underneath the sandblaster. There's going to be a lot of stuff moved around. I have plans for shelves on the walls so that I can put things in here and have them up off the floor and me be able to walk around. So that'll be something that'll happen. It won't happen today, it won't happen right away, but it will happen. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. You know those projects that you get started and then they just seem to snowball into something bigger and bigger and bigger? Well, the bathroom turned into a job where I had to empty out the blacksmith shop and get the table saw where I could use it. So now that part of it's done, and I can go on to other things.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.